In today's episode, I'll show you how to create loyalty strategies for your clients so they can earn extra points and then spend them in your store by using one of Sylius Plus features. Let's create something new. Right here we have to give a code and name to our new loyalty strategy. Then we have to assign it to one of the channels. Let's say we will assign it to the home store. And now you have a decision to make. Would you like your customers to earn points based on, let's say, 100 euros spent can earn them 100 points? Or you can create strategy based on products they buy. So let's say for each coffee mug, they'll get 100 points. And this is what kind of strategy I'm going to create today. In the next episode, I'll show you how you can create special rules so your customer can spend your points in your store.